travel day. We're just at the Premier Inn on Bath Road in Heathrow. We didn't vlog anything yesterday because we were just travelling down from Newcastle.
Yeah, it wasn't very interesting.
Every Premier Inn's the same, isn't it? But we've had a pretty restful night. And we're just going to get ready to leave to go and check in and do bag drop. Flight's at 11:50 today. So we've got plenty of time. I think it's not even 8 o'clock yet.
No.
So
Nice and early.
Yeah, feeling okay.
Feeling.
I'm hungry.
Don't quite believe it, to be honest.
Yeah. But
I'm sure I will when I'm on the plane.
Yeah, I am excited. If you are new to our channel and you don't know who we are, I'm Natalie, this is Tom. We previously made videos a long time ago.
In our house. Against one wall.
Yeah, we never really vlogged before, so this is new to us. But yeah, so if you want to follow along with this holiday, we're spending the majority of the time at Universal, doing Halloween Horror Nights, but we are doing a day at Disney, we're doing a day at Discovery Cove, we've got a tour booked.
Yes, that horror nights.
Yeah, we've got a couple of different hotels we're staying in, so there's going to be lots to watch. And yeah, if you want to follow along, then you can do on this channel, and Instagram is 2please.
Is it just 2please now?
It's _2please.
Oh yeah, we corrected it.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see you when we get to the airport.
See you soon. Hello. So, bit of a fail on our part. We were going to vlog in the airport, and then by the time we got through bag check, which took an hour, we didn't really have much time, so we kind of just sat around, had a look in Smith's, did the usual, and then went for our gate. Flight was good. Flew to a Virgin. Yeah, I'm happy with it, to be honest. It's the first time we've flown a Virgin.
We had a seat in the middle of us as well, which was nice. So we had like a row.
Yeah, a bit more leg room. Food was alright.
Yeah.
Bit of annoyance with the on-flight entertainment, which half it didn't work, but it didn't really bother us too much. Well, that's not. But yeah, we're here now.
We're here.
We're at Sapphire Falls, Universal.
We've already made some big purchases because we've upgraded our tickets to annual passes.
Yes.
And we've utilised the ticket service and desk within the Universal resorts to do that. And we've also managed to get Horror Nights tickets printed and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, she was lovely.
Yeah, really good. So yeah, do you want to show the room?
Yeah, I guess we'll do a room tour. Let me just swivel this around if I remember how.
2.
Right, we'll start at the front door. So, this is the door. There's me in a mirror. Lovely. The floor in this part is all tiled, and then it moves to carpet. So you got your storage, which is kind of just a double. And then you got your safe in there as well. There's Natalie brushing her teeth because her breath smells.
I mean, I have been travelling.
Cool mirror. It's a little touchy boy.
Yeah.
Lights up, and then you got your magnifying one, obviously. Single sink, but you know, it's nice.
It's still quite a big sink area.
There's your bog, usual American bog.
Stop saying the word bog.
Big shower. Nice big shower with a kind of a, what are they called, waterfalls? Rainfall. And then we move out into the room. Double beds, as usual.
I think they're queen beds.
Yeah, they look like queens. Very nice. More storage down here. Just the usuals. And then fridge, which we shall be filling later. TV. Tea and coffee making facilities. I'm getting there. This is a bedside table in case you didn't know. And you've got USB sockets. Another little table in case you want to do any sort of work, but I mean, who would? It is a conference hotel though. Little cute chair. And view-wise, I've shut these because, you know, we've got the lobby. But there's Aventura. If I get past that. God, I'm crap at this. There's Cabana. And I won't try the zoom because it's got awful, but you can probably see there's the volcano as well. Volcano Bay. So, Swinneroonie. yeah, that's a brief look at the room. What we're going to do now is we're going to go down to CityWalk, get some food. We're probably going to go to Bubba Gump's just because we fancy it, to be honest. We watched Forrest Gump the other day. And we've got a Landry's card, yeah, which I'm looking forward to. Hopefully that means we're going to get a pretty good seat. The Landry's card, it's kind of a win-win really, to be honest. What was it, $25? So it's $25 to buy, but they put that $25 back on the card to go towards your total bill. And what it basically means is you're kind of like an exclusive member, so you should get priority seating and kind of skip to the front of the line there. So it's useful there. It can be used at the Palm in the Hard Rock, and then over in Disney you've got things like Rainforest Cafe, T-Rex. Is T-Rex part of it? And most importantly for us, Yak and Yeti, which I'm sure we'll use next year. So yeah, really looking forward to that. We'll probably take the camera down to CityWalk since we've done enough all in terms of vlogging today. Maybe see the lobby as well.
Yeah.
And we'll go. This is nice. Oh, there's Amatista. Yeah, that's nice. Little outdoor bit. Sorry, it's very loud because the park's just closed, I think.
It feels very surreal though, because I feel like I've literally just got off the plane and now I'm sitting like running at the mix.
Totally.
Yeah, we'll see how this Landry's situation works out. I'll let you know.
Yeah.
See you shortly.
Not sure how well you'll be able to hear me, but quick check-in regarding Landry's card, definitely worth it.
It was a 35-minute wait.
Yeah, 35-minute wait. We came in and got sat straight away.
In about 35 seconds.
Just opted for the mix your own margarita, and we're going to turn it into a Corona-rita, which I'm very excited about. Just trying to work out what to have now.
I don't know actually what I want because there's so much that I want.
I mean, it's a bit more limited for me because, you know, I'm fussy about things from the sea because I'm a knob, but
if it's from the sea, it's not for you.
Unless it's fried, which it all is, so that's good. We'll catch up soon.
I'll show you when I get. Corona-ritas are here. Good?
I mean, tequila and beer. Can't go wrong.
Let's try. It's only going to get more Corona-y the more that you drink it. Hungry?
Okay, so food's here.
So
what do you get?
I've got the shrimpers trio or something like that. It's got tempura shrimp, coconut shrimp, regular fried shrimp, chips or fries. fries, and then it's got a Cajun remoulade, like lemon sauce, and then I can't remember what the other sauce is. But either way, it looked really good.
It was so informative. I went for the Mama's fried chicken. I kind of got it a bit mixed up, to be honest. I thought it was the one where it came with the big piece of fried chicken and mash, but no, it looks good. It's just basically chicken tenders and chips, but I'm happy with that. Corona Reeds are going down very well. Recommend them. Quick update. I tried one of Nat's coconut shrimp. I'm a little jealous now. I mean, this is nice. It's just, you know, pretty much chicken tenders and chips, but they're good.
So, just got out of Bubba Gump's. I really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I mean, simple food, but good.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Like, to be fair, it was exactly what I wanted. I had like a trio of shrimp. There was like a coconut shrimp, a fried, like regular fried shrimp, and there was a tempura shrimp, and I mean, all of them were delicious. It hit the spot. I had a Corona Rita, and to be honest, after like a 9-hour flight and being up for God knows how many hours, that's enough to like absolutely knock me out. So we're just gonna have a little walk through CityWalk. It's cooled down really nicely now. It's not like really hot and sweaty. It's really nice. So we're just gonna have a walk through CityWalk, and then we're gonna head back to the resort. So we'll keep you updated as to what we're doing.
Hello.
Going down.
Well, out we go. Just getting back to the room now.
I get the key.
I'll show you which room we're in, because, you know, if you want to be nosy.
I can get in.
1701. Yeah, I thought I was full of energy and I'm a bit knackered now.
It's not margarita.
I did feel like when we were on the water taxi dock that my legs were going a bit like... We in? We're in. Oh,
It smells delicious in here.
yeah, Sapphire Falls is really nice. I think we'll sign it off there. This has been Travel Day.
No.
Got early entry tomorrow for Hagrid's, and then I'm not sure where
Just a day in the parks.
the wind will take us. Yeah,
Got
between
Heathrow
two.
tomorrow night.
Yes, looking forward to that a lot.
So yeah, need some sleep ahead of tomorrow.
Have
Thanks.
some shows.
Thanks for watching. Sorry, it's not been the greatest travel day.
If any of this is even usable. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.